Imagine a city where AI controls traffic, electric cars outnumber gas guzzlers, and tech startups pop up faster than coffee shops. That place is real, and it's called Shenzhen, China. 50 years ago, Shenzhen was just a quiet fishing village. Think 30,000 people. Dirt roads, not a single skyscraper in sight. Then, in 1980, China flipped the script. They made Shenzhen the first special economic zone, basically an open invitation for tech, investment, and innovation. What happened next? Pure sci-fi. Shenzhen exploded into a megacity with over 17 million people. It didn't just grow, it sprinted. Today, this city is China's Silicon Valley. Ever heard of Huawei, Tencent, DJI, BYD? All born here, but here's what sets Shenzhen apart. It's not just about ideas, it's about speed. A prototype can be built and mass-produced in 24 hours. You want electric vehicles? Every single bus and taxi here runs on batteries. Air's cleaner, streets are quieter, and the future feels a little closer. AI runs the show, everything from traffic lights to street security. Facial recognition? Normal. Cash? Not really a thing. Even street lights talk to each other. The skyline? Straight out of Blade Runner. Ping An Finance Center towers above it all. Metro lines crisscross the city in minutes, and smart highways pulse with life. Shenzhen files more tech patents than some countries. It's not just a city, it's a global tech factory. So from fishing village to futuristic powerhouse, Shenzhen proves one thing. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Like what you heard? Smash that subscribe button for more mind-blowing facts from NeoFactsX.